Hindi, ganito po yan. You all guys, everyone.
Boss.
Ako po ay lang gumawa ng report. Dahil alam ko lang po talagang gawin ay namin.
Ano ganyan?
Alam ko lang po gawin maliban sa kanil ay maglabas po ng pera.
Ano po kayo?
Maliit ang size ng small daw eh. Women ko. Oh, hindi. Ang ano nga ninyo? Bet nyo. Nasaan? Hindi. May susi ka ba dito?
Yan, umatid mo na si Gilio ng BWF. Basta rin BWF na rin. Ay, yun na. Oh. Oh, ay Gilio. Paano?
Wala.
Ay, ito lang naman ang habol ko din eh. Ay, yun na. Tikman mo na yung panabang bakit ako sumayaw doon?
Ay, baka sumali siya sa empanada.
Kap.
Balik kami pagkadating dito. Maya-maya sa church. Kaya, pas muna kayo. Depende sa
Isang hot na pin dahil pinisipon. Okay, thank you.
Excite lang ako.
Okay lang, ma'am. Uy, uy.
Thank you. And of course, we also
Dito.
meron kayong gusto i-base ano po sa ating home work.
Saan po sa kabila sa iyo?
Lista nyo lang po yan. Kung nasa kayo, mamaya po yung
Sisingilan talaga. Akas? Pwede na to. President.
For this year until 2025.
Now your newly elected Board of Directors for 2024-2025. Some of us will be staying until 2025, and then some of us will be staying until 2026. Allow me to lead this oath of office. Okay, everyone. Event Professionals Association, Inc. Oath of Office. I, kindly state your name, Mahalia Magpantay Calves of Jeff's Events and Event Planning Services. Having been elected as your position of the Batangas Wedding and Event Professionals Association, Inc. For the year 2024 to 2025.
And everyone. Actually, I don't have a prepared speech. Kanina pa ako nagsasabi sa board. I don't have talaga the long speech. What I made are some bullets just to have my guide. I'm not used of making parate. This is not the position na hinangad ko ever since. Alam yan ng mga kasamahan ko. Ito yung posisyon na parating iniiwasan ko taon-taon. But then, kapag destiny talaga ang kumibo, wala tayong magagawa.
Yan na, ang photo and video.
Also, looking at the percentages of expenses, I guess the representation allowances are still
Ang pasimuno, photo and video. Cluster.
only not exceeded by 0.8% for this year. I guess I would like to propose to the body that
Habang nagmi-meeting,
should
nagbabaring.
should make a motion on the elections. Ang hanggang ng 15.8%. We have 96 members. So, ang expected na income ng association for the year, status quo, is 288,000. Sa hanggang ng 288,000, that is 96 times 3,000.
Matatawa ng kape.
Because if we will allow the DOD to just disperse for representation without us, the body, knowing where it is spent, unless they present everything in the agent, there might be abuses. I won't say they are abusing. Basically, the Treasury Department should come up with financial policies as to when and at what level will they transfer funds and hold.
Cheers!
60 to 80,000
Cheers.
po. Yun po, tinatransact po. Inaano ko na po sa bank account po. Nangyari lang po na hindi na natransact po. Sir, hindi po
Bahala
na po
kayo
kung
din.
gano'n, yung ilaman ng mismo ng GDP. Ay, ibig sabihin.
That's really clear. That's 218,000.
Sir, hindi, ganito po yan. Nangyari sa all guys, everyone.
Boss,
Ako po ay gumawa ng report. Dahil alam ko lang po talagang gawin ay namin. At alam ko lang po gawin maliban sa kanili ay maglabas po ng pera.
ay, ito na mga giliw. Puro siya na, sir. Bye-bye mga giliw. Ulsing na. Salamat. Driving.